Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an online course on Udemy. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Udemy, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Udemy is one of the best online learning platform that student uses to learn something, to learn some courses, different kinds of courses that that they can learn or they want to learn. So yeah, this is one of the most popular platforms you can use to learn online courses. And also right here you can be an instructor, creating your own course itself that you want to teach to your possible students. So you can just go to the website right here and log in with your account. And if you want to become a instructor or a teacher, and you want to share your courses to students, you can just click instructor right here on the top right corner, and you will be redirected to this page right here. So this is your instructor dashboard. So this is where you can add your courses that you want to share to your students or possible to people, everyone. And if you want, you can just click create your course to start creating your course step by step. So it has 4 steps. So first, it will ask you to what type of course that you're making. So you can choose either of the two. Are either you're creating a course or a practice test. So it depends on what is your course that is your teaching. And for example, I'm just going to choose course first and click continue. And how about a working title? So you need to provide the title of your course and make sure that it's actually good, but you can change it later if you want. But for example, I'm having a course about video games, let's say, and click continues. And what category best fits the knowledge you share? So what is the category of your topic of your course? Is it under photography and video, marketing, lifestyle, design, personal development, office, IT, and software? It's up to you. So I'm just going to choose a random for the sake of the tutorial. So how much time can you spend creating your course per week? So there's no wrong answer. You can help achieve your goals even if you don't have much time. So you just need to choose how busy you are. So I'm very busy right now. I work on this side, so 2 to 4 hours, or I have a lot of flexibility. You can work five and above hours in Udemy, or I haven't yet decided if I have time. So it's up to you. So after you're done with all of the steps, you can just click create course, and the Udemy will actually load you right here. So this is where you can set up more about your course. This is where you can change or manage or modify your course. So you have to plan your course. You have three steps to plan your course. And after planning your course, you need to create your content. So you need to film and edit. You need to add curriculums, and also you can add captions or accessibility if you want. After you're done creating your content, the only left to do now is to publish your course. So you need to have a course landing page. You need to include the pricing to your course, since the students will actually buy your course. So that's how you can earn from Udemy and the course message. So now let's go to each of these tabs right here. So first, intended learners. So you need to describe your intended learners. So you need to choose what type of students you're looking for your course. So yeah, you must enter at least four learning objectives or outcomes that your possible learners can expect to achieve after completing your course. So you just need to define the roles and responsibility. So you just need to put four expectation that your student will get by completing your course. So for example, learning, since I'm making a video game course, learning about video games. Yeah, so that's actually some random things I put. So you can add more to your response. You can add more expectation if you want. And after that, what are the requirements or prerequisite for taking your course? So what is the minimum requirement? You just need to put the minimum requirements that your student need to have to complete the course itself. So, for example, basic knowledge, basic logic and knowledge. So you can add more response if you want, but I'm just going to leave it as it is. So who is this course for? So write a clear description of the intended learners. So what this is actually where you need to put what would be the type of learners you're looking for to learn your course, and who will find your course content valuable. So for example, gamers. Since I'm making a course about gaming, so my intended learners is gamers. So after that, so you just need to click save. So now you're done with intended learners. So now you need to go to the course structure. So you need to plan your course carefully so that it will create a clear learning path for the students and help you once you film. So think down to the details of each lecture, including the skills you'll teach, estimated video length, and practical activities to include, and how you create introduction summaries. So if you want to learn about creating a proper course structure, so this is actually the tips you just need to read the route. So you need to start with your goals, create an outline, introduce yourself, sections, create a section that have a clear learning objective, make lectures cover one concept, and have a mix and match about your lectures. And you need to practice activities, and also creates or offers hands-on learning. So yeah, that's it. So you just need to follow all of this one. And after you're done with that, you need to set up a video test. So make sure that you set up a you need to have a video, for example, video demonstration, some video lectures. Yeah, you need to actually have that. And after that, after you plan your course, you need to create your content now. So you're ready to share your knowledge. So this is your moment. If you're structured your course and use our guides, you're well prepared for the actual shoot. So pace yourself, take a time to make it just right, and fine tune while you edit. So actually in these steps, you need to have a film ready to go. So you need to already have a films or video discussions that is ready to be uploaded on Udemy. So you actually need it so that you can provide a flexible learning opportunity to students. So now for the curriculum, so this is actually where you need to outline your course. So you need to start putting together your course by creating sections, learn lectures, practice, quizzes, coding exercise, and assignment. Start putting together your course by creating section lectures and practice activities. Use your course outline to structure your content. So make sure that you already have a course outline structure. And if you're intending to offer your course for free, the total length of the video must be less than 2 hours. So yeah, so above 2 hours, your content will be paid. So you just need to add sections right here. For example, section introduction. So I can add a new section, for example, quiz, and etc. etc. I can add more sections right here. So under section, I can add curriculum content, whether it's a lecture, quiz, coding exercise, assignment, or role play. This is where I will upload my video lectures. So you just need to input a title and add a lecture. So as you can see, after creating a lecture, I can add a content, whether it's a video, article, or video and slides. So yeah, this is where you will put all of your contents that you have created, all of the films, video description that you created. That that would help your students. And yeah, you just need to complete all of this curriculum right here. So you can add captions and accessibility options if you want. And after you're done with that, you just need to publish your course. So let's just save this first. So you need to have a course landing page. So the course title, you need to include your course title, course subtitle, course description, basic info, the language, the level of speaking and writing language, and that's it. So what is primarily taught in this course? So you need to input this. So this is required. So basic logic, let's say, since it's just a game. And you can add more course image if you want, and promotional video. And this actually will improve the looks of your course. And after you're done with that, you just need to go to the pricing. So let's just save this first. And right here, you need to uh, you know you need to choose whether you're offering the course for free or not. So you can, put a certain amount of price or cost to your course. And after you're done with that, just click save again, and you can add more promotion if you want, and course message, etc., etc. You can just explore each of these sections, and after you're done with these sections, you can submit for a review. So actually, I can't submit for a review since you need to have these requirements right here. So on the curriculum page, you must have at least 30 minutes of video content, have at least 5 pictures, have content for all pictures, and yeah, that's it. So you need to follow all of this before you can submit for a review. Submit your course for a review, and yes, that's it. So after you're done all of that, you can just submit for a review, and the Udemy will review it, and if they approve it, your course will be uploaded to the main dashboard of the Udemy, and the people or students can now see your course and learn from it. And yes, that's it. That's how you can create your course on Udemy. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.